Welcome to our class, Amma. Now let's see carry over. In your previous class, you learned some carry over, Amma. Still two are there. I will explain now. Look at the board. Now, first number is what, Amma? 56. Near 56, 6 is the ones, 5 is the tens. Now place 7. Okay. Now in your coming addition, always coming from ones, Amma. In your ones, two numbers are there. What is that? 6. What are them? 6 and 7. 6 and 7. You are taking lines. First, I will explain first lines and after taking fingers. Okay? Then first here, what is that? 6 is there. First, you are taking how many lines? 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now next, here second number is what? 7. So you are taking how many lines? 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now total count it, children. Total how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total how much, Amma? 6 plus 7, you get 13. In 13, 3 is the ones, 1 is the tens. What is that? In 13, 3 is the ones, 1 is the tens. So this 3 keep in ones. This 3 is the keep in ones. Now 1 is a carry over to tens. 1 is carry over to tens. Okay. Now coming from tens, in tens, 1 here carry always add. Carry add here. You add to this number first. Here how much carry here? 1 is there. So 1 plus 5. First carry is a 1. So you are taking how many lines? Only single line. 1 line. Because here 1 is there. Now next here how many? 5 is there. So you are taking how many lines? 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still here any number is there? No. So total count it, children. Total how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 6. That is you should write in the tens place. Okay. So what is your answer? 63. What is your answer, ma? 63. Now next coming from this one, 27 plus 36. Addition comes from ones. In 1 7 and a 6 is there. Now this 7 keep in your mind. First number is how much, Amma? 7. First number how much? 7. This 7 keep in your mind. Okay. Now this 6. This 6. Second number is the 6. This 6 show on your fingers. Show on your fingers. So 6 fingers. Already kept in your mind 7. So 7 after count it, Amma. 7 after what comes? 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now same 7 plus 6 is you get 13. In 13, 3 is the ones, 1 is the tens. So this 3 put in ones. Now 1 is the carry over to tens. Now coming from tens, in tens, first carry add to this 2. Okay. 1 plus 2, 2. And a carry is a 1. So 2 plus 1, you get 3. Okay. 2 plus 1 is a 3. Now 3 plus 3. You get 3. Again this 3 show on our right finger. Now total how much, Amma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how much? 6. That is you should write in a tens column. This is also you get 63. Both are same answers. Now please copy in your classwork, Amma. Now next, what is your homework? Write it to your homework. Do in your classwork and test book. Here put one circle for a carry over. do these two problems, Amma. Simple addition, but carry over. You get two numbers, two digit number. One is the ones, one is the tens. So ones is a keep in ones, tens is a carry over to tens. That is kept in your mind. Okay. These both are your homework. Now look at your test book, Amma. All of you children, look at your test book. Here addition stories are there. Some addition stories are there. First one is what, Amma? Ranjan. Ranjan has 6 pens and Neetu has 3 pens. Ranjan has 6 pens and Neetu has 3 pens. Here already I wrote this 6 pens and 3 pens. So total count it. Total how many pens, Amma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total get 9 pens. Here already wrote this 9. Now next coming from candles, Amma. Now there are 4 candles on one stand. Here one stand is there. Here 2 stands are there. In one stand 4 candles are there. First stand has how many candles? 4 candles. Now second stand, how many candles are there, Ma? 3 candles. Second stand has 3 candles are there. In this one, first you will write 4 candles. Now next you write 3 candles. Okay. Now count it, children. Total how many candles you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get total 7 candles. Okay. That is write in this box. Down. Write in this box 9 candles. Okay. This is a candles. Next here 4 people are cycling. How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people are cycling. Now next 2 boys are playing. 1, 2. 2 boys are playing. So how many total boys are there? What is your question? How many total boys are there? Now you should write here. First one, how many boys are there, Amma? 4 boys. You should write here first one 4 boys. Now second one 2 boys. In last box what you write? Count it, total how many boys. Count it, children, all of you. We are having test book. Open your test book and do it this homework also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many boys? 6 boys are there. So here add on 6 boys. This is also your homework. What is your today homework? Now these 2 problems and these 2 candles and boys. This both total do in your test book. Okay, Amma? Do your test, do your homework and post it. Still in term 1 last activity is there. That is I will explain in our next class. Okay. And we will practice more and more among these addition problems with carry or without carry. We can't understand in the videos. Explain to your parents and helpers and cousin brothers. Okay. No. Thank you, children.